Hey there, curious minds. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world beneath our feet, tectonic plates. You might have heard about them in school, but what exactly are they? Well, let's break it down. Picture the Earth's crust like a giant jigsaw puzzle. It's made up of about a dozen major pieces, known as tectonic plates. These plates are massive slabs of rock that fit together, covering the Earth's surface. But unlike a regular puzzle, these pieces are constantly moving. Yep, that's right. The ground beneath us is always on the move. Now, you might be wondering, what causes these plates to move? It's all thanks to the heat from the Earth's core. This heat causes the semi-molten rock in the mantle, just below the crust, to flow. As this rock moves, it drags the tectonic plates along with it. It's a bit like putting your dinner plate on top of a lazy river. The movement of tectonic plates can cause a lot of interesting and sometimes dramatic events. For instance, when two plates collide, they can form mountains. The Himalayas? Yep, they're still growing because the Indian plate is pushing into the Eurasian plate. And when plates move apart, they can create new ocean floor. This happens at mid-ocean ridges, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. But it's not all peaceful spreading and colliding. Sometimes plates slide past each other, causing earthquakes. One famous example is the San Andreas Fault in California. When these plates grind against each other, it can release a lot of energy, leading to those shakes we feel on the surface. There's also something called subduction, where one plate slides under another and gets pushed back into the mantle. This process can create deep ocean trenches and volcanic activity, the Ring of Fire. Around the Pacific Ocean is a hotspot for this kind of action. So next time you feel the ground tremble or see a majestic mountain range, remember, it's all thanks to those ever-moving tectonic plates. They play a crucial role in shaping our planet, even if we can't see them directly. And that's a wrap for today's simple guide to tectonic plates. If you have any questions or if there's any terminology you want to be explained, drop a comment below. I'm here to make science easier and more fun for you. Thanks for watching and stay curious.